What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Michelle and it is a pleasure to have you here. So today we're gonna be hanging out at, actually hold on, all right, so I didn't want to tell you guys the wrong name, but this is Hugh Taylor Birch. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but we've been here before, but we've never gone kayaking. Today's gonna be my first time going kayaking and I'm super excited. I'm a little nervous, I'm a little scared, but we'll get it done. So come on, let's go. I'm too clumsy for floors like this. So you don't come here to rent the kayaks. You're gonna go to the restaurants, which I will show you right now. And then I guess that's where all the payments and the liability forms will get taken care of.
I also need one ID from any.
With this, I'm all good. I'm sure this thing is tight.
No, I'm Yep, I got it.
Actually. You guys, that was actually really nice. We ended up canoeing, not kayaking. It's very relaxing. I feel like for our first time it was a little, you know, you're just trying to really figure out what to do, how to do it correctly, how to not run into bushes and stuff, but I think we did good for the first time. It was nice. I definitely do it again. But right now I ended up just grabbing the chair and some towels because we're gonna end up going to the beach. So I'm gonna see you guys later. There's a lot of people on the beach.